What they gave off.
Mine was also last Thursday.
Mine was all.
Yes. Hare Krishna. Nice to
Hare
Hare
meet
Krishna,
you.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay, shall we start with our prayers?
Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena
Chakshurunmilitam
Tasmai
yena
Namah
tasmai Shri Gurave
Gurave
Namaha.
Namah Namo
Namo
Vishnupadaya
Vishnupadaya,
Namo
Krishnaprasthaya
Vishnupadaya
Bhutale
Krishnaprasthaya
Srimate
Bhutale
Bhaktivedanta
Srimate
Swami
Bhaktivedanta
Nityanamine
Swami Iti
Namaste
Namine.
Namaste
Saraswati
Saraswate
Jayate
Deve,
Namaste
Gauravani
Saraswati
Pracharine
Devi Gauravani
Nirvishesha
Pracharine
Sundarini
Nirvisheshaya
Paschatyadesh
Jai
Jai
Shri Krishna
Pasyatya
Chaitanya Prabhu
Tishatarine
Nityananda
Shri
Shri
Krishna
Advaita
Chaitanya
Gadadhara
Prabhu
Srivasati
Nityananda Shri
Gaurabhaktarinda
Advaita
Hare
Gadadhara
Krishna Hare Krishna
Shivasari
Krishna
Gaura
Krishna
Bhaktavinda.
Hare Hare Hare
Hare
Rama
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Rama
Hare
Rama
Krishna
Rama
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare Hare
Hare Krishna
Hare
Hare
Rama
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Rama Rama
Hare Hare
Rama Hare
Hare
Hare.
Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Very good. So we are learning 3 new verses, right? From yesterday, right?
What, Mataji?
Mataji, I wasn't here. Mataji, we only learned this verse, I think.
Oh, you did not learn the next two?
I wasn't here at yesterday, Mataji. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, here, Mataji.
Okay. So anyway, we will learn these. Yesterday we started learning the 3 new verses of chapter 10. Just give me a minute. Let me just close this one. It's making noise. Yes. You all can see, right? Still?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
So this is chapter 10, verse 32. So you all can repeat. Please repeat. Sarvanam adirantascha.
Sarganamadirasya
Sarganamadirantascha.
Sarganam adirantascha.
Sarganamadirantascha. Sarganamadirantascha.
Madhyam chaivaham arjuna.
Madhyam Chaivaham Arjuna.
Madhyam
Madhyam
chaivaham
Chaivaham Arjuna.
Madhyam chaivaham arjuna.
Madhyam Chaivaham Arjuna.
Madhyam Chaivaham Arjuna.
Adhyatma vidya vidyanam.
Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam.
Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam.
I think Sanskriti is your voice is getting delayed or it's fine.
I think my device is delayed, Mataji.
Okay, because hear you very very late. Adhyatma vidya vidyanam.
Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam.
Vadah pravadatamaham.
Vadaha Pravadatham.
Vada
Pravadatam.
Pravadatamaham. Vada Pravadatamaham.
Vadaha Pravadatham.
Pravadatam aham. Can you say?
Pravadatamaham.
Yes. Everyone got this?
Yes, Mataji.
So you all are ready to say this?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. You all want to raise your hands? Okay. Already
Yes, Mataji.
raised. Who is Varuni Balapriya Devidasi? Is it?
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Ojasvi.
Okay.
That's my mom's name.
Okay. Ojasvi, Samskriti, Nandini, Krishnanaina. Can you four go ahead?
Okay, Mataji. Sir,
Yes, Mataji. Sarganamadirantashya Adyam Chaivahamarjuna Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam Vadaha Pravadatamaham.
Yes. Very good. Very good. I saw all of you said it, but no one has any difficulty in saying any word, right?
no, Mataji.
No.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Advait, Ramchandra, go ahead, both of you.
Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Sarganamadirantashya Amarjuna Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam
Vidyanam
Vadaha
Thank you, Mataji.
Very good. Very good. Anyone else would like to say this?
Kartik.
Okay, Karthik, go ahead. Anyone wants to say with Karthik? Okay, Karthik, go ahead.
Sarjanam Adiranandascha Madhyayam Jaivaham Arjunam Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam Vadaya Vadatam Aham. Thank you, Mataji.
Can you say this? Pravadatam aham. Sorry, here. Pravadatam.
Tataham.
Okay. Very good. Anyone else wants to say? Okay, no problem. Shall we all say it?
Mataji, Balavrinda is ringing.
Yes, yes, Balavrinda. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sarganamadirantashya Adyam Chaivahamarjuna Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam Pravadatamaham.
Very good. Very good, Balavrinda. Very nice. Okay. Shall we all say this once again together? Because it's a new one. 3, 2, all unmute yourself. Okay. And let's go slow, not so fast, not very slow.
Okay.
All of us together. 3, 2, 1.
Vidyanam Vada Pravadatamaham.
Very good. Who wants to read the translation? Let me see. Who did get it done.
Can Nandini say Mataji?
Okay, shall we give it to someone who did not say anything so far?
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Moksha, do you want to say the translation?
What?
Translation? Would you like to read the translation?
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
Of all creations, I am the beginning and the end, and also the middle. O Arjuna,
Mm.
of all
Sciences?
sciences, I am the spiritual
Science.
science of self, and among
Logicians?
logicians, I am the
Conclusive?
truth.
Conclusive? Truth. Okay, did you read it? Okay, I think maybe she read it. So, what Krishna is saying here to Arjuna? He is the beginning, he is the end, and he is also in the middle.
He's all.
He is everything. He is everything. He is the beginning, he is end, he is in the middle. Of all sciences, I am the spiritual science of the self. That is the what to say? That is the science of all sciences, right? Science of the spiritual science of the self. What is that? science of the soul, right? Self means soul, and that is Krishna. That comes from Krishna. That is Krishna. And among logicians, so who are logicians? They have arguments and all, debates and all, right? So in that arguments, Krishna is who? He's the conclusive truth. He's the conclusion. He's the absolute truth. Okay. So we will move to the next verse. Did you practice this yesterday? Or
Mataji, no, we only practiced the first verse yesterday.
anyway, we will do that. I just asked whether this was done or not. So please repeat. Aksharanam akarosmi.
Aksharanam akarosmi.
Aksharanam
Akarosmi. Aksharanam akarosmi.
Dvandva samasikasya cha.
Dvandaha samisakasya cha.
Dvandva samasikasya cha.
Dvandvada
Samasikasya cha.
Aham eva kshaya kalo. Aham eva
Akshaya kalo.
Aham eva kshaya kalo.
Kshaya kalo.
Dhataham vishvato mukha.
Vadam vishvatokaha.
Dhataham vishvato mukha.
Dadaham vishvato mukaha.
Everyone got this one?
Yes, Mataji.
All the
Yes.
words?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Very good.
Yes, Mataji.
Shall we say together? In
Okay,
group?
Mataji.
Can you all raise your hands who all want
Yes,
to?
Mataji.
Please raise your hands who all want to do this verse. Who all have got this? Advait, Abhishek, Nandini, Mukund, go ahead.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Very good. Ramachandra, Sanskriti, Krishna Naina, Akshita, go ahead.
Aksharanam akarosmi. Dvandvasamakasya cha. Vishvato mukaha. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Very nice. Tulsi Manjari has raised hand. Anyone else wants to say this along with Tulsi Manjari? Anyone else? Abhishek, Kushi is there, Tuva, Rishikesh. Okay, if you don't want to say it on unmute, say the verse on mute. Okay, when others are saying it, say it as a practice. Abhishek, I think you have raised hand. Abhishek and Tulsi, please go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, Mataji. Aksharanam akarosmi. Dvandvasamakasya cha. Ame akshaya kalo. Tataham vishvato mukaha.
Very good. Okay.
Thank you.
Anyone? Thank you. Anyone wants to say this verse still? Okay, who wants to read the translation? Let me see who would like to read. Suraj, can you read the translation?
Yes, Mataji. Of the letters, I am the letter A. Among the compound words, I am the dual compound. I am an Mataji.
Inexhaustible. Inexhaustible.
and I am also inexhaustible time, and of creators I am Brahma.
Okay. So what Krishna is saying here? Which letter he is? Letter
A.
A. Start
Mataji, why is he letter A?
That is
I
the start.
thought A is not in the Sanskrit alphabet.
So that is Sanskrit starts with A, right? So that is Krishna. The beginning of the letters is Krishna. That's what it means here.
Okay, so A is A.
Yes. And everything then comes from that letter, right? And all. So that all comes from Krishna. Among compound words means two words combined together, right?
Compound word.
So he is the dual compound. And
Mataji,
also, yes, Moksha.
in my best friends, in my class, I've been learning about compound words and verbs and all of those.
That's nice. So now whenever you will learn, you will remember Krishna, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. And he says, I am also inexhaustible time, limitless time. Time is Krishna, right? And among of creators, Krishna is
Lord Brahma.
Brahma. Yes. So we'll move to the next one, 34. So you all please lower your hands, and then again you all can raise when we are going to recite those.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay. Please repeat. मृत्युः सर्वहरश्चाहम् मृत्युः सर्वहरश्चाहम्
सर्वहरश्चाहम्
उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम्
भविष्यतम्
उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम्
भविष्यताम्
कीर्ति श्रीर्वाक्च
नारीणाम्
कीर्ति श्रीर्वाक्च नारीणाम् कीर्तिः श्रीर्वाक्च नारीणाम्
निर्वाचनादिनाम्
स्मृतिर्मेधा धृति क्षमा स्मृतिर्मेधा धृति क्षमा
मेधादति क्षमा.
Everyone got all the words? They are
Yes,
not
Mataji.
different.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Very good. Some of them are a little difficult, so don't hesitate if you have not understood anything. Let me know, okay? We can practice again. Everyone got it right?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, let's practice in groups. Advait, Nandini, Sanskriti, Tulsi. Go ahead.
Okay, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Master Krishna.
Thank you. Very good. Abhishek, Akshita, Dhruva, Ramachandra, and Mukund. 5 of you can go ahead.
Okay, Mataji.
Thank you very much, Mataji.
मृत्यु सर्वश्चाहम् भविष्यताम् श्रीवाक्च नारिणाम् स्मृतिर्मेधाधृति क्षमा.
Very good. Mukund,
Thank
did
you,
you
Mataji.
say?
Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Mukund, did you say this?
Yes, Mataji.
Please say it fast. Very good. Anyone else wants to say? No? Okay. Who would like to read the translation? Khushi, can you read the translation? Hare Krishna, Khushi. Okay. Okay, I think.
Can I read the translation?
Who is that?
Krishna Naina.
Okay. I was looking for someone who didn't get a chance to say anything. One sec. Is that okay, Krishna Naina?
Okay, Mataji.
Thank you, Krishna Naina. Prahlad, do you want to read the translation?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
I am all devouring death, and I am the generating principle of all that is yet to be. Among women, I am fame, fortune, fine speech, memory, intelligence, steadfastness, and patience.
Yes. So, what Krishna is saying here? He is death, and he is the generating principle of that yet which is yet to be created. Among women, he is fame, fortune, fine speech, memory, intelligence, steadfastness, and patience. All these opulences. This is all Krishna. Okay. So everyone got a chance, right? Like who all wanted to say? We'll move to our. Yes.
Mataji,
Yes.
everything Krishna does is for a reason, right?
Yes.
But why did he steal the butter? Is there any reason for that?
What? Why did he?
Steal butter.
That is his Leela, right? That is his Leela.
Yeah. Like this is
All are his pastimes.
Is today?
That gives pleasure to him. That gives pleasure to his devotees also. Right?
Mataji, is today's holiday popular?
Yes. Yes.
Mataji said in yesterday's class, and it
And
says
then
on
also,
the top.
Yes.
yeah, it's on the
So
top.
we have completed
Name.
53 qualities, and now today we have the quality popular. So we yesterday read famous and popular. Today is popular. So what is the difference? They almost sound similar, right?
How good he is, and glories about him, and popular meaning how many people know him.
Yes, right. Anyone else wants to share anything? Sanskriti, you have raised, and is it from previous verses or now you want to say?
Oh, no, it's just for the first month.
Okay. How about you, Advait?
For the first one, Mataji.
From verses, right? This from verses. Okay. So we will see any person who is very dear to people in general is called a popular man. So what is the difference? Famous is a person is known for some good things in him or her, but popular means he is very much liked in many people. Like in mass, he is very much popular. He is very much liked by those. And Krishna is called popular because he is eligible to the love of all the living entities. You got this difference? Famous, famous means we say that, okay, he's famous for this, famous for that. But popular means he is popular because he is liked by many people, all the people. And why Krishna is eligible for the love?
Because so many devotees like Mataji.
Yes. And what is the true nature of the soul?
Mataji, and he's very kind and respectful.
Yes. And what is the true nature of the soul? To
be in Krishna consciousness?
Yes, to love Krishna, to serve Krishna.
We
So
should be thankful for Krishna because he's giving us this beautiful world with plants and food, and
yes, he has created everything. Yes, he has created everything, right? And whenever we look at a plant or a beautiful lake or birds, we like so many birds, right? They are of different colors. Everything is a creation of Krishna. Everything has a soul in it, right?
I fed birds with my hand and ate these seeds.
What, Krishna Naina?
I fed birds. They came into my
You
they
like
came into my
birds,
hand
right?
and ate seeds.
Whenever we look at them or we look at the trees or anything, do we think of Krishna? There is, that bird also has a soul, and that is a part of Krishna. Tree is also part of Krishna, and each soul has the true nature, loving tendency of loving Krishna. Naturally, it is there, and so Krishna is eligible to that love. Okay, so how we know about Krishna's popularity? So when Krishna was not there in Dwarka, because he was at the battle of Kurukshetra, right? So all the people in Dwarka, they had become Moros. They were always thinking of Krishna. When he returned, all of them welcomed him nicely. And here you can see, right? All of them came to see him, welcome Krishna. And what they
I
are
wanted to interrupt you, but what does morose mean?
sad.
Oh.
Yes. So here what they are saying, dear Lord, while you were absent from the city, we passed our days in the darkness of night. So we can imagine when there is darkness, how the time goes. It goes very slow, right? Time is very depressing. Suppose you can imagine if there is no light at all, always darkness. How would you spend your time in that? Would you like it? But in daytime, our time is going so fast, right? We do so many activities. We do this, that, we study, we do a lot of things. So like that, they are saying, we passed our days in the darkness of night. As in the darkness of night, every moment appears to be a long duration of time, right? It seems to be very long in the darkness. So while you were gone, every moment appeared to us like millions of years. So much they were missing Krishna. Your separation is completely unbearable to us. This statement shows how popular Krishna was all over the country. So you understood how much they were missing him, how much they were feeling the separation from Krishna. It shows how much he was popular. And another place where he was so much popular, can you all share one place?
Vrindavan Mataji.
Yes, and then
Everyone loved him.
yes, that comes to our mind immediately, right? When we read this,
The Govardhan pastime?
yes, like in general in Vrindavan, how he is so much loved there always, right? And then whenever he's away, even if he's away for a second, everyone just starts missing him so much. They start feeling the separation, right?
Like when Krishna was going to Mathura.
Yes.
Or
They
like
were
when
like
Lord Ram was like
Lord Ram
going
also.
away to exile.
Yes, very good, very good. Nice. Here again, one more example is of Krishna's devotee, Arjun. After Krishna disappeared from the earth, when Arjun came back to Hastinapur from Dwarka, he was feeling so much separation from the Lord that he could not stay without him even for a moment. Always Arjun was thinking of Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. The separation was so intense that it was like bodies without life. So what will happen to bodies if there is no life or no soul or no spark? What happens to the body? It feels like dead, right? It is dead. Like that, Juno was feeling that there is no life. He was so much feeling separation. So this is the love of Krishna's devotee for Krishna. Krishna is completely eligible of such love for him, and that's what is called his popularity.
Mataji,
Yes, Mukul.
another example of Krishna being popular was in his Lord Chaitanya form. When the two thieves had taken him, while he was riding on their shoulders, everyone like Shatimata and Jagannath Mishra, they all the villagers, they all started to find him everywhere. And when he came back, they were relieved again.
Yeah.
Mataji, I think that's like some other, like,
So
not Krishna. I think.
which one? What is that? Yeah, and even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, wherever he used to go, he traveled many places of India, right? Wherever he would go, many people would be there, gathered there to see him.
Yeah, I
In that
remember.
place. They would follow him, they would gather to see him. You know, even before he goes to that place, they would be ready to see him.
Yeah, I remember when like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was going somewhere,
Hmm.
and then Gadadhar Pandit, he didn't want to stay because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was leaving. He wanted to go with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
Hmm.
but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said stay here. But then Gadadhar Pandit actually came.
Yeah.
He was doing a lot of preparation.
Yes, very nice. You know that pastime. Very nice. And then there is another one. Krishna came to kill Kamsa, right? And that arena of sacrifice was arranged where they were going to fight. And when he entered that place, all the sages there, they started saying Jai, Jai. What does it mean? Jai means
Victory.
victory. But Krishna was a boy at that time, right? But all the sages offered their respectful blessings to him. So you can see, even this is the his first time coming to Mathura here, right? And from Vrindavan. So even before he came here, all of them knew about him, and they were all cheering up for Krishna. All the sages and even the demigods were there. They were also offering beautiful prayers to Krishna, and the ladies and girls present expressed their joy from all corners of the arena. In other words, there was no one in that particular place with whom Krishna was not very popular. So everyone already knew about the glories of Krishna, and already Krishna was very much popular amongst everyone.
Oh, are you sure?
Hare Krishna is. Can you all please mute if you are not? Another wonderful example of popularity is, who is that?
Prabhupada.
La Prabhupada.
Prabhupada.
So we all know how Srila Prabhupada started this Krishna consciousness movement in New York first. After that, he was planning to go to the west side. So he had already sent one of his disciples to go there and arrange for his visit. And when he was going there, the people there were already familiar with the Hare Krishna mantra. Even Prabhupada went there, even before he went there. They had heard about Swamis, means who? Srila Prabhupada's chanting in the park in New York, or they had seen the article about Swamiji and the chanting in the local underground paper, the Oracle. So they had already heard about Srila Prabhupada, they already knew about the mantra, they had already read about him in the paper. So earlier today, means this is the small part of the Leelamrit, Prabhupada Leelamrit, we all know, right? You all know Prabhupada's Leelamrit. So it is given from that. So earlier today means on the day when Srila Prabhupada was going to land at San Francisco, they had gathered in Golden Gate Park. So there is a place, Golden Gate Park. They all had gathered there and they had chanted there more than for an hour.
Mataji,
Sure.
I thought it was there was only Golden Gate Bridge.
Yes, there is a park also. There is bridge, there is park. So they all gathered there, they chanted, and then they all went to pick up Srila Prabhupada at the airport. So you can see even before Srila Prabhupada was going there, everything had already started there. So this is called popularity, right? How Srila Prabhupada had already become popular even before going there to spread the Krishna
Yeah,
consciousness.
the disciples went before Prabhupada. So is it because of them or because of?
Yes, but they had already also read about him, that how he was going to the park in the New York and chanting and doing Harinam and everything.
Okay, Matri.
Yeah. And also we know ISKCON's popularity, how it's growing, right? Because of all the disciples of Srila Prabhupada and so many pure devotees. So wherever we go, any city, any country, we always see ISKCON temple there, right? So whenever we see temple, do you feel like we are home? Who all feel like we are home whenever we go to
I do.
Mataji, I do a lot.
I'm skitty.
How many? But how many years ago did Srila Prabhupada live?
what? What is it?
Around 50.
What is the question?
How many years ago did Srila Prabhupada live?
Live, yeah, around whatever he said, right? Around
About like
live where?
40. About
Mataji, he lived for 45 years before.
Live. She's saying left or what? Like that live?
How much time has it been since he left this world?
Like, how much time did he live?
How many years you are saying?
yeah, till he passed.
Yeah.
He left this world.
He left, I think, in 75. I'm not wrong.
No, Mataji, 76, I guess.
75 or 76, something like that. Yes.
No, but Mataji was, Srila Prabhupada was born in 1896 and he left this world on 1976.
Hmm.
So,
77.
77. Okay.
oh, 77. So that means 70 years. 81 years he lived.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, she's asking the age. Okay. Got
Yeah,
it, Moksha? Okay. So this is about popularity and yes, I didn't miss anything. So we will move to our activity today. You all are aware of the activity, right?
Yes, Mataji.
What special activity we have this week?
The friend appreciation.
Yes. How was it yesterday? This is
Amazing.
It was really nice. What?
Mataji, can I say one?
yes. So who all have today to say
What?
something about friends?
It's appreciation week.
Like,
You appreciate someone. Yesterday, so I don't know anything.
Miss Lun,
Yeah, I wasn't
my
here.
my
I wasn't
teacher,
here yesterday either, but
my
I
teacher,
started recording.
my teacher had teacher appreciation week like last week.
2 weeks we are doing this.
No, 2 weeks ago, I guess.
We are also
2 or
doing
3 weeks
similar
ago.
For me,
thing.
it was last week.
Can anyone share with me why are we doing this? Give me one good nice reason.
To appreciate teachers, I guess. Mataji,
Why are-
Akshita say?
Yes, why are we doing this?
Because we're like because we've been doing this Bhakti Sangha Japa group call, so we're trying to appreciate everyone who've been taking time and doing the classes and appreciating why their good qualities.
Yes. Anyone else?
Especially Vinza Gandharika Masi, she did a lot.
Mataji, can Moksha say?
Yeah, Moksha, go ahead. Why are we doing this?
Because all these people here focused on Lord Krishna and followed all the rules and always did Hare Krishna and was very happy every day.
Okay, very nice. Anyone else wants to share? What is going to happen if we do that? If we do all this appreciation?
Then everyone will be like happy and pleased, I guess.
And they'll go
Everyone
back.
will have a smile on their face.
Yes, very nice.
And then we like to see them happy because it's nice to see them smile.
Yes, we see each other every day, right? Almost every day we see each other.
Mataji, we also see our friends every day.
Yes. So although we are not interacting with each other directly, or we are just talking through teachers, right? We are talking to teacher, not to any friend directly. But we are all getting together just because our friends are coming, right? Because of their association, we are joining it. Okay, if I'm there, if teachers are there and only Mukund is there, would you like to join every day, Mukund, if only you are there?
No.
Would you join every day? Maybe he will join only 1 or 2 days. And then he will feel, no, I don't want to do this.
I would.
Maybe you will, but we are continuously every day coming because our friends are there.
Would be
Because we have association.
because you're alone and no one is there and you're just sitting with the teacher.
Honestly, I wouldn't stay.
And then we get inspired by our
Me too.
friends, because sometimes our friends speak, then we feel like speaking up something, sharing our realizations. It
And
all
there-
happens indirectly sometimes.
We get inspirations from good association.
And there's probably 20 kids in this class.
Sometimes, like when I don't know what to say, like, and other people say, I also
17.
yeah, what to say.
Because somebody is speaking, then we also feel like sharing, right? So we unknowingly inspire, we get inspired. So let's share, let's express that today. So who wants to go first? Who wants to go first?
For what?
Can Akshita go?
Okay, Mukund, go ahead.
Thank you, Vrinda Mataji, for being our teacher every Tuesdays and on Wednesdays giving us the Vaishnava songs class, because the classes are very beautiful and you explain them very nicely and you give us many examples.
Thank you, Mukund. You're appreciating me. Okay, I was.
Can Moksha say?
Yes, Moksha, go ahead.
Thank you, Vrunda Mataji, for always teaching us very kindly and repeating the verses again and asking people if they want to go and seeing if anyone didn't go.
Okay, thank you, Moksha. Anyone wants to say about any friend? What do you like about that friend? What inspires you? Ojasvi has raised hand. Go ahead, Ojasvi.
Yeah, so I already said appreciation about Akshita yesterday, where she wasn't here. So can I say it again?
Yes, go ahead.
So I like how Akshita is attentive and friendly, and she always listens nicely.
Okay, very nice, Ojasvi.
Thank you, Ojasvi.
Suraj, do you want to share?
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
So one way, is that well, we appreciate Krishna for the things that he does, but he appreciates us 10 times that for doing that.
Okay, so you're appreciating Krishna. Suraj?
I really didn't understand what you said.
I think Suraj was appreciating Krishna, right?
Lord Krishna, right?
I'm not sure.
Yes.
Yeah, he
Okay,
said
very
Krishna.
nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Suraj. Thank you for sharing that, Suraj. Very nice. So, Akshita, go ahead.
So, Hare Krishna, I would like to appreciate.
You can talk about more than one friend also, okay? Quickly, one quality, and that
Okay.
would be nice.
So I would like to appreciate Ojasvi also, because she's actually very nice and sweet, and I also was surprised to see her in New Vrindavan last time, and she's also very friendly also, and I like to see her on the video if I'm not seeing her in person.
Okay.
And also if Balavrinda's here, but if she was here, then she's actually a really innocent. She asks some questions and answers also some and does this sometimes the shlokas. So yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Akshita.
Thank you, Akshita, for sharing. Very nice. Who wants to go next? Prahlad.
I like how Ramachandra
Thank you, Akshita.
attends the class and he asks questions.
Very nice.
Thanks, Prahlad.
Very good. Nice, Prahlad. It also shows how you're all observing each other and learning from each other, right? That's so nice to see.
Can Ramachandra say?
Yes, Ramachandra, go ahead.
I like how Mukund always like participates in the shloka, and he always like raises his hands. And I also like how Prahlad like he in Madhava class when I sometimes join.
Mm-hmm.
He also attends attends even the older classes.
Mm.
Like I don't know, like I don't do it much, but he does it.
Wow, very nice.
Thank you, Ramachandra.
Mataji, Mataji, can Balavinda say?
Yes, Balavinda, go ahead.
I want to say that Akshita is my friend,
Okay.
and Akshita is.
What do you want to say about Akshita?
I don't know. I just want to say Akshita.
My friend. Okay, you love Akshita?
Yes.
What do you learn from Akshita? You learn how the way she do the work, right? On homework.
Mataji, please come on video.
Right?
Yeah.
Balavinda,
Mataji,
come on video.
Mataji, I am in the device where I cannot on the video, Mataji.
Oh, okay, okay,
So
okay.
you say that, you used to learn how she used to do her craft, right?
Yeah, she teach me piano.
Yeah, she teach you piano also. Okay, say thank you for everything.
Thank you for everything, Akshita.
Okay.
Thank you, Balavinda.
Thank you, Balavinda. You then.
Okay, that's so sweet, Balavinda. Who wants to go next? Advait, do you want to go? You have raised hand.
Okay, Mataji. I like to say Mukund because Mukund always says questions and he's attentive and for me the questions he asks and I get them answered.
Very nice, Advait.
Thank you, Advait.
Okay, who wants to go next? Anyone wants to go?
Mataji, can Mukund say?
Yes, Mukund, go
Um, I would like to thank Ramachandra because he's always attending the classes, and he also knows a lot,
Okay.
and he recites the slokas very nicely.
Very nice.
Thank you, Mukund.
Wonderful.
Mataji, can Moksha say?
Okay, Moksha, go ahead.
I like Sanskriti because she's very attentive and she always doesn't ask too many questions and she always sometimes answers questions and she's very kind.
Very nice, Moksha. So sweet.
Thank you, Moksha.
Karthik, do you want to say anything? You have raised hand. Karthik?
Like how Mukund participates in a class.
Okay. Very nice.
Thank you, Karthik.
Okay, who wants to go next? Krishna Naina, go ahead.
I like how Mukund is very enthusiastic and he learns everything and he listens to the class attentively.
Very nice, Krishna.
Thank you, Krishna Naina.
Okay.
Mataji, can Mukund say?
Okay, Mukund.
I like how everyone is very kind to each other.
Yes, everyone has that quality, right? What I like about all of you is you all are so kind and you all listen immediately. You follow what we say. So if somebody is unmute, immediately you will mute yourself. And you all really nice kids. All are really nice. You all inspire me also.
Mataji,
can Akshita say?
Okay, go ahead.
So I like to appreciate you, Mataji, and other Matajis that teach the Govinda class, like Sitapriti Mataji and Padmasaki Mataji and Radhika Kasturi Mataji, and because they're all you guys all you all teach very nicely the qualities of Krishna, and I really like that.
Thank you, Akshita. Thank you. Yes, all the teachers are so wonderful, right? I learned from them also.
Not just Govinda class, also Madhava class.
Madhava class, Damodar class, all of them, right?
All the teachers use a lot of
Mataji,
Yes.
And
Mataji, do you think Sanskriti should go now?
Samskruti, did you go? Oh, did I not call your name? Sorry.
No, Mata, you didn't call on me.
I did not. So sorry. Are you? Do you want to say Sanskriti?
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead, Sanskriti. So sorry.
I'd like to thank like everyone because like they're always like listening to everyone and they're trying to understand.
Very nice, Sanskruti. Wonderful. Everyone is done?
Mataji.
Yes.
Also, I would like to also appreciate Vinita Mataji because she works very hard for the Bhakti Sangha Japa group.
Yes, Vinita Mataji is like strong pillar of Bhakti Sangha. Yes, all appreciation for Vinita Mataji.
Mataji,
Yes.
can Mukund say?
Okay, Mukund. Mukund, okay, go ahead.
I would like to thank
That's so much appreciation for everyone.
I would like to thank
Balavrinda.
Because she's so small and she attends all the classes, and because she's also a walking Bhagavad Gita.
She knows so many verses, right? Yes, Balavrinda is great. She knows so many verses.
Mataji, I also read and I'm only 7.
Yes, Moksha. Yes, wonderful. You all are great. You're all doing so wonderful in Krishna consciousness at a very young age. So, if everyone is done, I have small game just for 2 minutes.
What?
I will say a name. I will say a name. You all just quickly tell me what quality comes to your mind when you hear that person's name, when you think of that person.
Mataji, can I say
Are
one
we
last?
done with all 64?
Huh?
No, it's not the 64 qualities. It's our names.
Friends, yes. So,
Mataji?
I want to know from you about some friends, one quality. When I say that name, what comes to your mind?
I want to
Could it be any of our friends that are not in this call?
Huh?
Could it be any of our friends that are even
Yes.
not in this
I
call?
think of some friends who are not there today or who didn't speak today.
No, he asked if there is anyone who is not in the call. Like
There are some. They might do it tomorrow. Okay. See, like if I say Mukund, somebody said enthusiastic, right? So if I say Mukund, you all can say enthusiastic or whatever comes to your mind immediately. Okay. So
I want to thank you, Vrinda Mataji, for teaching and doing the bhajan class.
Thank you, Prahlad.
Mataji, I think Mukund want to say something.
What, Mukund?
Can I say one last one?
Yes, Mukund.
I would like to thank Tulsi for having such a cute for a cute profile picture.
Yes, it's cute.
Yeah, it's really cute. Yeah, I like it.
So what comes to your mind when we think of Dhruva?
Very nice.
Very nice boy.
Attentive.
Nice and attentive.
He does good. Read the verses.
Always in class.
And what about Moksha?
She's pretty
smart. Asking good questions. Asking good questions.
Oscar.
Give a lot to the class.
Yes, very nice. You all know each other so well.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're all
Mataji, can I say something?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, about Moksha, she is so much caring for everyone. Like if somebody is wanting to talk and she feels that that person is not got a turn, then she will bring it to the notice of the teacher.
Yes.
And then if she gets late to the class, she will say that, oh, I missed the class. So she's very sincere and very honest.
Yes, she apologized.
Very nice, sir. Very nice, Moksha.
And what comes to your mind when we think of Tulsi?
Cute profile picture.
Very close to mine.
Attentive and really nice profile picture.
Yes.
Really kind.
Yes.
And like
nice.
she's
Recites
always
slokas,
has a
nice.
cute big smile on her face.
Very good. How about Advait?
Attentive.
Attentive.
Nice profile picture, dude.
Yes.
Nice profile picture, dude.
Yes, I think some of the names, I don't know what are the names. IRP. Can you write your names there so that I can take those names?
Who's IRP?
Who's IRP?
And it's like I don't know.
Mataji, I think it's somebody's initials.
Okay.
Mataji, in the participants, he's not joined into. I mean, he or she is not joined into audio.
Okay, I don't think we have much time. So
Oh yeah, it's not even audio.
Mataji, I think IRP is some random person.
Mataji, I couldn't hear which name.
Suraj.
Oh.
Always his videos on.
Always good. Always video. Funny.
Creative.
Very nice. Good.
Creative.
I think now we
Creative.
very good. Very good. How about Karthik?
He always he does.
He makes nice crafts.
He also does very nice crafts and attentive.
Karthik is helping.
Very nice drawings.
Always helps
Karthik is helping because whenever they do cooking class, he always helps the mom.
There, right?
Yeah, Radha
Yes,
Rani
he's always there to help.
Very good
Yeah.
at
We're very
So,
good. Did I
who's
miss
next?
any name? Did I miss any name? Any new? Who's Sri Lalita? Sri Lalita.
She joined recently, I think.
Okay. Is she joining from India?
I haven't seen him.
Yes, Mataji.
Sri Lalita, are you joining from India?
Yes, I'm joining from India.
Very bold. You're joining so early. So inspiring. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you for joining, Sri Lalita.
Thank you, Mataji.
So what? Very inspiring, right? When we now think of Sri Lalita, we will know she's so inspiring that she's joining so early from India.
Yeah.
Mataji, it kind of makes sense because, like, when I took a week trip to India, I all night I never ever slept. I just sat in the living room and yeah.
Okay.
Wait,
So maybe she's doing that.
Mataji, who's the next person?
I think we will end here. Other Mataji will cover the rest of the names, or you all can again share. Those who did not say anything, please go ahead and share.
Mataji, there's no Madhava class today, right?
I mean,
No, there's Bhagavad Gita class today.
8:15 we will end here. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha.
Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Vrinda Mataji ki jai. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, bye everybody.